What are you doing? You're eating again for the 5th time today?
Yeah, why not? What are you talking about?
It's time for our YouTube video.
Oh, hey guys, what's up? Hey guys, welcome back to our channel, Indy.
And Annie.
And this is our next installment of Quarantine Qravings. So in this episode of Quarantine Qravings, we're going to be making honey balsamic Brussels sprouts, which were inspired by one of our favorite restaurants in the city, Ilili.
And we're also going to be making spicy baked turmeric fries, which was inspired by my mom's cooking. And she uses a lot of turmeric, so we figured why not put it into fries.
And then, to top it all up and to wash it down, we're going to be having mulled wine. Cheers! Cheers, guys.
Bon appetit!
And that's it. Like, comment, and subscribe down below.
And be sure to let us know and comment what your favorite quarantine drink has been.
Tune in next time for some quarantine cravings or,
or some challenges. You never know.
Never know.